Hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. Just want to talk about Polkadot again. A couple of days ago or 3 days ago I made my first video on, well, not my first video, but my first TA video on Polkadot. Before that, I think many weeks ago I made one where we were somewhere at the 20 level or so. That was very early days when I created this channel and talked about the potential of Polkadot. It has since then really underperformed compared to other cryptos. I think it actually deserves more attention, you know, with parachains coming now, interesting projects coming now, and I think the best is still to come for Polkadot. And I can see a shift a little bit in the in the market, also in the sentiment and what people talk about. And I think Polkadot is one of the next sort of trending ones, really. It's only my own view. Please don't take that all with a pinch of salt and come to your own conclusions. But yeah, a few days ago when I talked about Polkadot, well, let's talk, where do we start from here? We're coming here from this cup and potentially a handle just forming now, right? And we're just at this completion of this handle. And a couple of days ago when I made this video, I talked to you about, I think that I bought some DOT. I might have mentioned it. If I didn't mention it in the video, I did mention it to the guys in the Telegram, in the private chat for the channel members, where I made you aware about when I enter a trade, also when I exit. At least I try to do it all the time. And, you know, we were just here and it looked like we were going to do the retest of that line. I did mention it. And yes, we successfully retested that, sorry, important support line. So we then moved up further all the way to 37. This is the line that I had on the chart already. We didn't even touch it, but we exactly hit it, that target level that I had on the chart here. And now we are coming down again, retesting that support here again at 33.5. That's now a crucial level for me. If we lose that, I think we can come down once more, to one of these lows here, for example 30 or even 29, right? Or this line here, which is at 28.5, so 29, 28.5, pretty much where this low is. However, if we hold that, and if you can see a buy signal, we could really finally make another attempt to get through these $37. And that is crucial. That's also why we are fighting around this level at the moment, because this is the handle. If we break that, then we can take, you know, I think that would be a big pump. Yeah, if we can get that, I think then we can certainly get above $40. Maybe make a stop here at these levels here at around $42, $43. If we get through that, then we can get to $48. And, you know, I talked about these price targets in my previous video. And, I mean, we hit the first one here. People arguing in that, you know, I had a few comments saying, you know, that's far too low for Polkadot. And, yeah, of course. I mean, if I talk about a price target here, that's not like in 5 years. I mean, that's in a couple of months, I think, maybe even faster. We can easily get there. I think for Polkadot, depending on how this bull run turns out, you know, we can get to much higher levels, of course. But what I related to here is really the next immediate price targets that we can get to. And I think if we manage to get through these one or two levels, we can easily get to the $48. And from there, if we break that, then we're in all-time high territory. And then we can get to really interesting levels. And I can just roughly here on the daily put a Fibonacci chart up to just take a look at where we are. And I think, you know, that shows us also this $47 level, which is quite close to that 48, you know, the high. Then, you know, we can get to 56, 67, that's the next one, just like a major Fibonacci extension level. And after that, we've got 84. So these are the levels like in all-time high territory where I would expect some resistance. All right, so that's just a quick update today. Bullish on DOT. Just need to watch that we hold that current level where we are currently doing the retest. Overall on the indicators, you know, we have scope to the upside here. We are in the bullish range on the RSI. Not quite at the 70 level yet. You know, we came down, didn't quite, well, we got in the bearish range, but only briefly. Now we are holding above the 50 line, have a little bit of potential to the upside still, or quite a lot actually, before we get into overbought range again. Currently moving sideways really here on the daily on the ADX, just showing below 20, which is a sideways movement. So just waiting for that confirmation of a trend. And on the MACD, And I think that is the good thing. We only recently made a bull signal. You can see that here, bullish crossover on the MACD. We are also above the 0 line. And the last time that happened, really, I mean, we had a few breakouts here above the 0 line, but the last main one was here, end of July. And from then on, we really moved to new, not highs, not all-time highs, but really higher highs, and made a longer trend to the upside before we now enter that correction. But I think, we are now at a tipping point again. If we can hold that key level here, I think it was at $33. Let me just make that a little bit larger again. Yeah, at 33 here. If we can hold that, and you can see the first green candles come up, I think then we can get to 37 again. And if we get through there, we can get to 40, 39, 40, which is that even Fibonacci extension level. And then we can get to this $48 level up here. Right, hopefully you liked that update. If you did, please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, then please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.